Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to teach you that how this machine operates. So its model name is SI 400 watt H. H means hex. The H indicates for the shape H, and this is a very basic model. So it doesn't have any temperature controller here. So first we will assist you how to assemble this machine. It will have this extra parts along with this. So first of all, we'll open this lid, and this is a screw and barrel. We'll put first this screw inside this, and after that the barrel, and we'll close this ring. It shows the directions also, on which direction we need to tighten. It is a wrench. We can further tighten by using this wrench, and there is one ring with this. This cut, off-center cut, needs to be in the front. We need to fit it properly because it's a seal, so it's a bit hard. So we need to fit it properly. After doing that, we need to just put that up. When you put this, it will be in this direction, I mean inclined in direction. So we need to further push this from up, so it will get flatten up, and the seal will be now working. After that, this is a hopper. We call it hopper. We need to put that on the top of it. It will be a bit hard, but because it doesn't get shake, so it's hard. And after that, this is the oil bowl, and this is a filter for that. We need to have this beneath this, and after that we need to turn on this heating switch. After plugging this, we need to turn on this heating switch on, and when you on these things, it will be blink. If you are taking out oil from flaxseed and coconut, this heating switch should be on for until 4 to 5 minutes or 5 to 6 minutes. I mean 4 to 6 minutes will be fine. After that, you can start. You can press this button of the squeezing, so machine will get start. And while extracting the oil for coconut and flax seeds, this switch needs to get turned off and turn off in a regular interval of 5 minutes. I mean, for a heating switch should be on for a 5 minute and off for a 3 minute. Again on for a 5 minute and on for a 3 minute. And if you are taking out oil from peanut and any other material, then this switch should be on continuously. First we need to on this switch for 10 minutes initial. After completing the 20 minutes, we can start the extracting oil in a peanut or any other material. It will be around 8 to 10 minutes. And for any other material, we don't need to turn on and turn off this switch. It should be continuously on. So this is the basic things, and that is how we take out the oil. After completing the things, turn off this heater switch, and we need to do the cleanup part. So the cleanup part is operates when you off this switch, and after that press this button upward direction for 10 or 15 seconds. So the motor direction will be on a reverse one. For 10 seconds, if you rotate this, you can see that the motor is rotated in a reverse direction, and then leave it, and you can have this. After that, taking out, the process is the same as the same 702 with temperature. You can put the hand on here, take out this, wear gloves, because this part is going to be heated one. So we need to hold this up, remove this thing, hold this up with gloves hand, and you, by using wrench, you can open this thing. Take out the barrel first, put it in some vessel, take out the rod, and you can wash it with the warm water, and by using the brush also you can clean it this way by using brush. You can put this way. So that's the basic thing we need to do.